Hi, welcome back to the channel. If you've driven a car equipped with a start-stop system, you may have encountered a peculiar message on your dashboard. Start-stop not ready, battery charging. While it might sound technical and a bit alarming, it's a fairly common message that helps keep your vehicle running smoothly. In this video, we'll break down what this message means, how the start-stop system works, why your car might display this message, and what to do about it. For this system to work flawlessly, the car relies heavily on its battery and charging system. And that's where the message "Start Stop Not Ready" battery charging comes into play. The "Start Stop Not Ready" battery charging message indicates that the start-stop system is temporarily disabled because the car's battery doesn't have enough charge to support it. Instead of shutting off the engine when you stop, the car keeps the engine running to ensure the battery is adequately charged. This message is essentially telling you that your car needs more time to recharge its battery before it can safely and efficiently use the start-stop function again. The car's onboard computer monitors several factors before allowing the start-stop system to engage. If the battery charge is too low, the system will be disabled and the message will appear on your dashboard. It's a protective measure to ensure that the battery has enough power to start the engine and maintain other essential systems, like lights, heating, and infotainment. There are several reasons why the "Start-Stop Not Ready" battery charging message might appear on your dashboard. One of the most common reasons for the message is simply a low battery charge. This can happen if you've recently been driving in stop-and-go traffic or making short trips where the battery doesn't have enough time to fully recharge. Cold weather can also reduce the efficiency of a battery, leading to the message appearing more often during winter months. Modern cars are equipped with numerous electrical systems, including lights, climate control, infotainment systems, and more. If any of these are in use simultaneously, they can put extra strain on the battery. In this case, the car's start-stop system may be disabled to prioritize charging the battery and maintaining enough power for all the electrical components. Over time, car batteries degrade and lose their ability to hold a charge as effectively as when they were new. If your car's battery is aging, you might see this message more frequently. In some cases, it might be a sign that the battery is nearing the end of its life and needs to be replaced. The alternator is the part of the car that charges the battery while the engine is running. If there's an issue with the alternator, the battery may not be charging properly. In this case, the battery charging message should indicate a more serious problem that needs to be addressed by a mechanic. Cold weather can significantly reduce a car battery's efficiency. Batteries produce less energy in cold temperatures, meaning they don't charge as effectively. This is one reason why the start-stop system might be disabled more often during winter months. If you're frequently driving short distances, the battery may not have enough time to recharge fully. Car batteries need time to regain their charge, which happens during longer drives. If you're only driving short distances, the battery might never fully recharge, leading to the "Start-Stop Not Ready" message. If you see this message, there's no immediate cause for alarm. In most cases, the start-stop system will re-enable itself once the battery has been adequately charged. Here are a few steps you can take to address the situation. If you've been making short trips, consider taking the car for a longer drive. This will give the battery more time to recharge fully. Ideally, driving on the highway where the car maintains a constant speed will help the alternator charge the battery efficiently. If you have a lot of electrical systems running, like the heater, defroster, or headlights, try turning off non-essential systems. This reduces the load on the battery, allowing it to charge more efficiently. If you see this message frequently, it might be a sign that your battery has started to wear out. You'd have your battery tested at most auto shops to see if it's still holding the charge properly. If the message persists even after taking a long drive and reducing the electrical load, there might be a problem with the alternator or another component of the charging system. A mechanic can diagnose the issue and determine whether the alternator or battery needs to be replaced. The "Start-Stop Not Ready" battery charging message is a helpful indicator that your vehicle's battery needs more time to charge before the start-stop system can function properly. It's a normal part of the vehicle's operation and isn't something that should cause alarm in most cases. By understanding the reasons behind the message and taking simple steps like driving longer or reducing electrical load, you can help your car maintain optimal battery health and enjoy the benefits of the start-stop system. However, if the message appears frequently or persists, it's a good idea to have your battery and charging system checked by a professional to ensure there are no issues. Regular maintenance and understanding how your vehicle systems work can help prevent problems and keep your car running smoothly. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share, and also subscribe to this channel for more informative videos.